Here's a pair of the Sony Bluetooth headphones, the M6 model. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to a TCL Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put these headphones in the pairing mode. Okay, you'll notice in pairing mode when the light here is blinking, blue, 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 blue. Okay, so let's just turn these on first. Let me press and hold the power button, and then let's see if we get a blue, blue. Okay, wait a few seconds here. Okay, I'm getting a bunch of blue lights here, and then mine's going to go off. The reason for me is because I'm paired to another device, one of my phones, okay? So let me manually force this into pairing mode first, okay? Let me turn it off first, power button. Let me press and hold for a few seconds. Now I'm going to let go. It's going to turn off. Now this time the headphones are off. I'm going to hold it and wait till it starts blinking twice, okay? So power button here, press and hold, keep holding. Just wait, wait. Still holding. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Blue, 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 blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now it's starting to shoot over to our TV. TCL TV, you want to go to settings. If you have a settings button on your remote. If not, go to the home page. Click on the home button right here. Go to this page here and then just navigate to the gear icon, top right hand side. So I'm going to go up. I'm going to keep moving over to the right there. Let's select that. And now, once you're here, what you want to do is just go all the way down. You can see on the bottom. Just go all the way to the bottom. It says remotes and accessories. Select that. And then we want to tap the first one, add accessory, all right? Tap on that. These are still in the Bluetooth mode here. And it says here, before pairing your device, make sure that they are turned on and discoverable. Okay, they are. Just move over to okay. Let's click on okay. It's still in pairing mode. Blue, blue. Blue, blue, so let's just wait there. Oh, there it is, the WH-1000XM6 right there. Make sure it's highlighted. Click on OK on the remote. It says pairing. Oh, get a pairing request. Make sure pair is highlighted. Select OK on the remote. And it's paired, and I heard a little chime here. So we're paired, ready to go. And you can see the MX or the M6 down there. It is connected. So there you go. We're ready to go. Any questions or issues, just comment below.